Hey everyone, this is Tim. This is my Module 3 reflection over the Web 2.0 technology. I found the lecture from Professor Wells to be really intriguing, especially because of how technology has advanced over, just a short amount of time. Um, from, VHSs to streaming videos online to, a phone on the wall to a little computer that we pretty much carry in our pocket because it can do so many different things versus just make a phone call. Um, some of the things that he mentioned that really stood out to me and really put into perspective how much things have grown. Um, you know, YouTube launched in 2005. That's 14 years. Now over 9,000 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single day. Those numbers are huge, especially when 88% of that is new content coming through. Um, the internet has really created a new platform for people to either express themselves, people to come together as a community, whether they live in the same community, because people can come together from all over the world using the internet. Um, the second part of the first question was how could these messages be used as a future teacher? Um, I think as future teachers, we need to be very familiar with the technology to be able to keep up with it and use it in our classrooms. The second part of it was listening to a podcast and talking about what podcast I listen to and how things like podcast blogging and Wiccas can be used in the classroom. My podcast is from a woman named Ruta Pearson. I got it from TED Talks. It's called Every Child Deserves a Champion. And really, she's calling on educators to believe in their students and actually connect with them on a real human, personal level. The power of human connection and what that does on an educational level. One thing she mentions, what she means by every child deserves a champion. Every child deserves an adult, someone that believes in them, pushes them to be the best that they can be, and never gives up on them. Um, the how can Web 2.0 be used in a classroom? Really, technology is transforming our work as teachers, as educators, and the way that we support our students in the classroom. With tools like Blogcast, blogging, um, Wicca, we can do a number of things. These tools can be used to teach content, store data, create and edit videos, create and edit photos. To communicate with each other, other teachers. The possibilities are really endless there. Um, do I think social applications such as Facebook and Twitter, Instagram should be used in the preschool through 12? Maybe in middle school, high school. I don't see certain social media platforms. I could see YouTube being beneficial in an elementary setting. Um, but as far as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the problems I see with that is the difficulty in monitoring how students are using it, um, and if it is causing a distraction, and that could probably be more. I could see a lot of distractions with the little kids with that, especially safety being a concern as well. Um, what cloud-based bookmarking tool did I use, and what were my thoughts? I've used Google Bookmarks for most of my time in college when I was going to Allen doing my associates. I made folders for each class, and we did a lot of TED Talks or um, educational podcasts, blogging. And I would just save all those into each folder. That way they were easier to get to. And I think it makes it a lot more efficient and keeps you organized.